Did that get your attention? Hopefully this does too. Let's talk about one of the biggest misunderstandings I see in retirement planning. Thinking that all your money should live in one giant pre-tax account, yielding you tax reduction today, but maybe done without considering the future tax impact. Let's call this the bucket mistake. If you do some research online, you'll find a lot of content on income buckets and tax buckets. In other words, there are different buckets based on the tax implications of different kinds of investment accounts. When every dollar you've saved has been piled up as pre-tax contributions and tax-deductible traditional IRA contributions, then it's basically all filling one type of income or tax bucket, and it is the least efficient one. Imagine a sturdy, old, but rusty bucket with holes near the top of it. Every time you try to pour something out, like pouring it from the IRA into your bank account, a bunch of it's leaking out as you pour. It doesn't leak while it sits there, only when you try to pour. The leaking money doesn't go where you intended. That leak, that's taxes. You don't receive as much as you pour out or as much as you take out of the account. All that pre-tax money is not necessarily tax saved, it's tax deferred. As in, you can pay the taxes today, you deferred that obligation until the future. Pre-tax money eventually gets taxed as ordinary income. Every dollar that comes out has federal, and depending on where you live, state income taxes attached. The solution? Tax diversification. 3 buckets instead of 1 through different types of investment accounts. The tax-deferred bucket, sure, think of it like your traditional IRA, but also a tax-free bucket. That's a bucket without any holes, Roth money. And a capital gains bucket. I just don't have a better name for it. That's a bucket with smaller holes, but also with tiny holes near the bottom that might leak occasionally. For today, the takeaway is this. If you're only using one bucket, there's probably a better way to reduce tax leak and keep more of what's yours. Want to learn more about these different tax buckets? Reach out to us at tidepoolwealth.com or check out the other content on our YouTube channel at Tidepool Wealth.